Have you ever wondered about black hole?
Sounds interesting.
Let's decode it in today's video. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there exist enigmatic phenomena that challenge our understanding of space and time. Among these cosmic wonders, black holes stand out as nature's time capsules, holding within them secrets of the universe's past, present, and future. Black holes are born from the gravitational collapse of massive stars, compressing vast amounts of matter into an infinitely dense singularity. This gravitational pull is so intense that not even light can escape its grasp, rendering black holes invisible to the naked eye. As matter spirals into the black hole's event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can escape, it forms a swirling disk of superheated gas and dust. This accretion disk emits powerful jets of energy, illuminating the cosmic landscape with their brilliance. Black holes come in various sizes, from stellar mass black holes formed from the remnants of massive stars to supermassive black holes lurking at the centers of galaxies, weighing millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. The study of black holes provides us with invaluable insights into the fundamental laws of physics, including Einstein's theory of general relativity. They serve as cosmic laboratories where extreme conditions test the boundaries of our understanding. The immense gravitational pull of black holes distorts space-time, creating gravitational waves that ripple across the cosmos. These waves, first predicted by Einstein a century ago, were recently detected by advanced observatories, opening a new window into the universe. From the heart of distant galaxies to the remnants of exploded stars, black holes leave their indelible mark on the cosmic tapestry, shaping the evolution of galaxies and the fate of celestial bodies. As we peer into the depths of space, we are humbled by the mysteries of black holes, nature's time capsules, preserving the secrets of the cosmos for eternity.